Hey guys, welcome back to both of my channels. As you can tell, I got a new camera. It is the Panasonic Lumix ZS40. So why don't we bring the camera on for a little test run? Hello everyone, good morning. It is Monday, August 3rd, 2026. It is currently 8:12 a.m. Currently recording with my new camera, so that's fun. Gonna feed the horses. I completely pressed the power off button right now. Before I do anything else, I'm going to collect these. Dogs are fighting. Gonna go ahead and collect these buckets here because I need them. Good morning, Kit. How are you doing this fine morning? Gonna put these here for now. Open this up. Gotta use two hands for that. Oh look, this is already filled and open. Open this up. It's nice to have a standalone camera again, so I don't have to rely on my phone if I want to get footage. It's my neighbor's peacock. If you ever wanted to know what a day in my life is, this is what it's been for the past 3 years. This is for one of the horses. We're just gonna add this on top of here. Close this up for now. We're gonna go ahead and give this to her. Good morning. Oh my goodness. So if the flakes are super thin like this, then they get 1.5. Here's the half that she's getting, and then here is the full flake that she gets. Same thing with you, good sir. You get the half and also the full flake. Enjoy, good sir. And then we go ahead and take this and also this, making a quick trip to the shed so I can put this bucket down here and this bucket on this table. And that's enough for the shed for now. Put that back in there. Then we zip it up. Let's test the zoom of this camera. Oh yeah. Look at that zoom. I don't think a lot of you guys know just how big my backyard is. This thing is huge. Like, I'm pretty sure it's just about an acre big. So, yeah. And now we're in the kitchen where I would make the pizza videos and the pizza roll video and stuff like that. I do need to get another SD card for this because I couldn't find my adapter with my 256 gigabyte card. So, that's gonna be something I need to spend money on. Another thing is that this camera actually has a wrist strap and my Canon camera didn't, so that's a plus over the other one. I don't think you guys have actually gotten a full house tour before, but yeah, this is it. This is the house. At my computer, I'm just playing Roblox. Playing this dumb game, but it's kind of fun, so I am. Let's get some sunlight in here. Oh my god, look, it's Kitty! Kitty is here. One thing I will say about this camera is that it does not have a flip screen, so I can't actually see myself if I'm looking at the lens, so I'm just gonna have to guess if I'm in frame, honestly, but I think I am, probably. Another thing is, with my Canon camera, I had to actually just take out the SD card and put it in my laptop. But with this, I can just connect it via USB and it'll transfer everything just fine, so that's a good plus for that. And it also doubles as the charging cable, so that's double thumbs up for that. And here's a closing shot with my cat Jamie. And with that, I thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in the next video.